So guys, if you cannot reinstall Riot Vanguard, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. You want to type in sc space delete space vgk and then click on enter. Now you want to type in sc space delete space vgc and then click on enter again. For the next step, you want to delete the Riot Vanguard folder. So you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC on the left hand side. You want to find the Riot Vanguard folder. For me, it's on my C drive. You're going to have the folder in either Program Files or in Program Files x86, so check both the folders. For me, it's in Program Files x86. I've got Riot Vanguard right here. I'm going to delete the folder. And then continue to delete the folder. Next, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Virtual Machine Platform, turn this on, and you want to find Windows Hypervisor Platform, turn this on as well, and then click on OK. It's going to start searching for required files. It's going to start applying changes. Once that's been done, click on Restart Now. You want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. It should let you reinstall Riot Vanguard.